Have you ever found yourself counting down the days until your next paycheck, wondering if there's something more you could be doing to earn extra money? Most people think side hustles require a big investment, technical skills, or hours of training before they make $1, but that's simply not true. Some of the most accessible money-making ideas out there can be started with minimal costs, and many people are already doing them successfully. Take Emma, for example. She had a full-time job that barely covered her living expenses, and the stress of unexpected bills kept her up at night. One evening, after scrolling through community discussions and read stories from people online, she decided to try something new. Her first effort didn't earn much at first, just a few dollars, but that was enough to make her wonder what was possible if she kept going. One of the things she learned is that freelance services remain one of the most flexible ways to generate income. People around the world are hiring freelancers to write, edit, design, or manage simple tasks, and platforms make it easy to connect with clients, even if you are just starting. Many freelancers have reported earning reliable income this way by building a small portfolio and increasing rates over time. But wait, the next hustle might surprise you. Local services and odd jobs can generate real cash without years of training. Simple tasks like offering lawn care, window washing, pressure cleaning, or even detailing cars in your neighborhood have turned into steady side incomes for many. Some have even built these into full summer businesses with minimal upfront costs, just tools and elbow grease. Then there are ideas that blend online and offline skill sets, reselling and flipping items. People buy thrift store finds or overlooked items, clean or fix them up, and resell them for a profit on marketplaces like Facebook or eBay. One thing reportedly made over $1,000 in a single week, flipping used furniture, and that was just the beginning. Another hustle that's gaining traction involves completing small micro tasks and quick gigs online. People regularly share stories of earning cash by doing things like app testing, short surveys, or small digital tasks that can pay $3 to $30 each. And if you stack a few of them together, it can add up fast. But most people miss this next one: pet care services. From dog walking to pet sitting, there is real demand, whether it's families on vacation needing someone to check in on their animals, or neighbors willing to pay for regular walks. Some have earned $500 or more a month by connecting with local clients through apps or community boards. And here is the part no one tells you: you don't have to do 5 hustles at once. In fact, trying to juggle too many ideas at once is a common reason people give up before seeing results. Emma learned that by starting with one hustle, committing a consistent amount of time to it, and watching it grow before adding others, she was able to earn hundreds of extra dollars a month without burning out. The real secret isn't working harder, it's focusing smarter. So how can you start today? Look at the ideas that make sense for you. Offer services you can deliver. Find quick online gigs. Resell items for profit, or help neighbors with practical tasks. Each one is something people are already doing successfully. and many started with nothing more than a phone and willingness to try. If you are ready to take your first real step towards earning, don't wait, start now. Subscribe, like, and follow to get practical, actionable side hustles you can start anywhere and see how consistent efforts can quietly transform your income before people even notice.